Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset in Oppo. So before proceeding, please share, like and subscribe so that you will never miss any update. So now I'm going to show you how to factory reset in Oppo. So we have to click the setting, and then after clicking the setting, you can just simply search it here, because when you scroll down like this, then it will take time, because you have to search uh, in each of these app here. You have to search like this, so it will take time because you have to search one by one. So it's better to search it here. Here we will have to write reset. Just write reset, and then you will see here there were so many reset: mode to reset, method for resetting, password, backup and reset to factory settings. So we have to reset the factory, so we have to click here, reset to factory setting, click in, and then we have to here written here reset system setting only. You can reset only the system setting, and you can reset easiest download app and their data. Once you click this easiest download app and their data, then all the app on your phone will be erased, it will be deleted. So here erase all data. If you erase all data, then all of your your file, your picture, your music, your photos, or your videos also will be deleted. So here also erase contact and call log store on this phone. Then you can click this also. It contact store on the SMS call will be retained if you erase this one. Erase SMS and MMS message store in this phone. SMS message store on this SIM card will be retained, so only that store in the phone will be deleted. So you can click, and then after you click, we have to click here the password, and then after that we will just click it. Then after clicking the password, then here it shows erase data, so you have to click it to erase it. But if you don't want, then just cancel it. So I hope it helped you. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like it.